What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel again, guys. So in this video I'm gonna do some more of casting, so guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what is happening. Alright, guys, so you have a couple concrete nails right here. I'm gonna place 2 of them on this side of the wall and the next 2 over the other side, and then I string my line and plumb it up. So stay tuned, people. See all these things, guys, these things will give you a bad work, you know? So what you want to do now is just get rid of this. Get rid of this little bumper right here for peeps. Those little thing right there will give you a bad work, you know, guys. It. Take it from the apart. What I know ask you. Next step, guys, check my plumb line. Alright, peeps, so this is it now. So check the line. It's a better focus now, man. You can see spaces between the line right here, guys. It's like 1/4 inch. So this is gonna take less flashing because the wall is straight. When the walls are not good enough, guys, then you have a lot of flashing to do. Even level way over this road, man. Need to check the next side to see. Check this plumbness of this side to see if the line want to shift. Have my screed line ready. So right now I can mix up the mortar, catch all the screed, let it breeze off, and we can start flush out the middle piece. So stay tuned, people. Show you the process. Easy way to save your material. The pressure. Very easy way to save sand or mall, whatever material you're using. Whether it want to be 16, 8 or 1/4. Get a piece of pipe, put it on the barrel. Just run some flat like that. very, very easy. So instead of having the sieve and mash up your back paper when you're rubbing, do it like this. I want to know what more about it, guys. I mean, look how air vent this. Keep out the heat. That is it, peeps. Ensure, say, you sweeten up, right? Sun or malt, which one you use. Spread it out. Add the cement. Mix both together before adding water. So you have a combination mixture to get the right mixture. So you have an even mixture when it is mixed. You don't have the malt one side or the sun one side and cement on one side. When you have rough cast, you find, say, the material get rot. I don't want to call it rotten because it don't mix so good. You have fungus, all different sort of problem. So to ensure that I get a right mixture. Stay tuned, people. The water bowl. Go out party. You don't feel already? Come on, back up here. That's it. The bigger water bowl. Alright, where is the tools? So we'll check. Undock, check, but undock is not the onboard. This one was purchased at the hardware. You can make it if you want. A piece of ply, piece of 2x2 or a piece of 2x4. Slice it, cut it to the size you want. With the angle, drive a couple nails in there, hold it together. Yeah, man. Catch up the job stuff in a place. Guys, make sure you hook up raw concrete, and then wherever the stiffness are in the building, hook it up, because long term it will get hollow, crack your wall, drop off of the wall. So hook them up, or if you want to use a concrete or whatever banding agent you want to use, guys, but I recommend hooking up. Next thing, piece, whenever you do rough casting, you can leave the stiffness for last because it's going to dry out very quick. So when you finish the middle piece of the wall, the screening and everything, then you can just do the stiffness on the sides. I'm using two different techniques in the flashing. That one is called forearm. Next one is called back arm. I don't know if they have other name for it, but that's what I know. That's what I learned. Yep. Take a meter by the back arm. Techniques. You see? Different technique for different areas and different spaces. You know, hard to reach areas. You have to turn the other way. From Mr. Run of correction, you know, guys. Check your wall.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Rough edges, guys. Yeah, this is it, peeps. That's the finishing product. Looking beautiful. Just gonna set up a small scaffolding and then flash out that little section up top. This is the other side. I have that section in the middle to do. That's not going to take a lot of material, guys. As I said, the walls are straight, so it's like a 1/4 inch rough cast. This is the other side. So just gonna set up a scaffolding and then flash in the little part up the top there.